The International Youth Day is observed on which date annually? August 12. What is the expected rise in India's food grain production? Three 3.74%. Which one has become the first national park in the country to have been equipped with satellite phones? Kaziranga. Shakib Al Hasan, who was named the ICC Player of the Month for July, belongs to which country? Bangladesh. Which country has recently test-fired a surface-to-surface nuclear-capable ballistic missile called Ghaznavi? Pakistan. What is the rank of Indian javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra in the latest World Athletics ranking? Two. Which country chaired the 20th ASEAN Regional Forum Foreign Ministers meeting? Brunei. Adipuram is celebrated in which state? Tamil Nadu. Which city has now been declared as the first Water Plus city of India under Swachh Sarvekshan? Indore. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority? Kamlesh Kumar Pant. Which satellite of ISRO recently failed to reach orbit? GSAT-1. World Elephant Day is observed every year on which date? August 12. The 130th edition of the Durand Cup is scheduled to be held in which Indian city? Kolkata. India will be conducting the annual Malabar naval exercises with which other countries? USA, Japan, Australia. India has signed an agreement on monsoon data analysis and cooperation to improve weather forecast with which country? USA.